Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you a 10x20 for autumn, where I take 10 items of clothing and I create 20 different outfits. I'm especially excited about today's video because I'm in the middle of travel packing. So these are the 10 items that I'll be taking with me for my 2.5-week trip to Europe. I'll be starting in Florence where it's 26 degrees Celsius, so by my standards that's summer, and then making my way to Paris where it's more 15 degrees Celsius, which is an Australian winter. I've tried to include a range of pieces within my little capsule that will take me from the warmer to the cooler weather. We all have different packing habits, but 10 items is definitely on the lighter side for me, especially if we're traveling to different climates. But the reason for this is that I know I have a couple of wishlist pieces that I'm looking to pick up. So as I get them, I know I'll wear them immediately. So I just didn't want to overpack and pack things I don't end up wearing. For anyone else who may be travel packing, I want to show you the luggage I'm bringing. The 10 items here, assuming I wear the coat and some of the chunkier pieces, will all fit into my carry-on luggage here. And then I also have a very large check luggage. I mean, it's huge. It's the July Check Plus luggage because I do anticipate that I will be bringing a couple of things back, either me or my mom, and it will all go into this luggage. And it also includes some of my filming equipment because I do plan on doing a little bit of filming while in Europe. July is a very popular Australian brand, and I've been seeing them everywhere lately. I really like these suitcases and I ended up buying the medium size for my mum as a little bit of a gift, so we'll all have matching luggage. With the travel details out of the way, let me show you what I'm packing. I realized that I actually have 11 pieces, not 10. But it depends if we want to include the white t-shirt as one of my pieces. So this one is from COS, and I'm packing this one with me because I can wear it in the warm weather, just tucked into a pair of trousers. And as I get into cooler weather, I'll probably wear this inside a knit for that extra layer. It's also so simple, I figured that if I do pick something up, it's a bit more statement. I can always pair it with the white t-shirt, and it's just a versatile thing that I want to travel with. I'm doing this from the lightest pieces to the more heavier items. The next item is a linen t-shirt from Muji. This one is made from 100% linen. I thought this would be a really nice piece to wear with some flowy trousers on those warmer days, and I'll be able to stay very cool. And because it's so simple, it will obviously go underneath blazers and be really easy to accessorize on top of. The third item is this blouse that I'm wearing. And this one is from Diane von Furstenberg. This is my fancier blouse for the trip, and this will be great to match with casual bottoms, and it will elevate that look. Or I can dress it up a little bit and wear it out to dinner. This top feels like it will bring a lot of versatility to this edit because most things are casual. So I can pair on the casual bottoms with this top and instantly have a slightly more polished look compared to something like a tee or a sweater. It's also just a great contrast to the other tops I'm bringing, which are t-shirts and then sweaters. We have some very classic print tee with the stripe as well as a polka dot, but this one is from Theory, and it's got this brown, black, and white stripe. I thought I'll bring this one because immediately I could see a few ways of wearing it. I can do up all the buttons and tuck it into something, or I can leave some of the buttons undone and have a more summery look as well. The last top is this cashmere knit from The Curated. I don't normally have these on hangers, only when I'm filming so you can see what I'm talking about, but I chose it in a charcoal grey just because I felt like this one was a very low maintenance color to travel with. I didn't want to do a super light knit just in case, you know, while traveling you get something on it. As my only super warm knit, this is kind of essential to my packing right now. And whenever it's actually cold, this is the piece that I need to wear. So grey felt like a sensible choice. It also works out well because we've got some warmer browns on this top, and then we've got the cooler grey, and we have a really good selection of neutrals in the packing. I've got 3 pairs of bottoms, and there is a reason why I didn't bring a skirt. Just because I'm wearing a lot of sneakers for this trip, I'm doing a lot of walking, and I feel like sneakers just pair a little bit better with my trousers. So I thought I would do mostly trousers for this trip. I wear these so often, they need no introduction, but I wanted something simple and something I felt really comfortable wearing that I know will match with everything, and that is this white trouser. The other trouser I'm bringing is this Arket trouser in this taupe brown color. This one is a longer, slimmer shape, and I'm bringing this one just for a little bit of variety. I also thought it would go nicely with the navy coat in the more cold weather looks. The only jeans I'm bringing with me are these Rag & Bone wide leg jeans. These are the same style as the white pair I own. It's called the Maya or the Maya jean, and I often see this style on sale, and both pairs I own were purchased heavily on sale. I chose a darker denim because I thought it would be a bit more versatile in terms of day to night dressing, I feel like I could pair it with this blouse and have myself a good evening look, but also wear it with something really casual for daytime. The only dress that I brought on this trip is this knitted dress from Remain. It's made from 100% wool, and I wanted to pack this one because there are just a lot of ways that you could style it. You either wear it with this side facing the front, which is what I'll do most of the time, or you can turn it around and have the V face the front. I don't even know which way is meant to be front, but both of them I actually quite like. On days where I'm traveling between cities, I feel like I'll just wear this without a belt and have it be super comfy and relaxed. And then when I want to dress it up a little bit, it's definitely possible to belt it, add a coat, and it feels very polished. Packing these more simple styles when I'm traveling over something very detailed means that it has more versatility, and I can dress it up for night, wear it for day, and there are just a lot more options. Nothing I do at night for this trip will be very dressy, and I'm sure this will be fine with my boots and a belt. I have two jackets that I'm bringing. So the first one is a blazer, the second a coat. The blazer that I chose out is a grey blazer with a red and purple pattern. Considering I have a very neutral palette here, I thought this red and purple pattern would be a nice pop of colour. This check blazer felt like it would be really easy to style because I can just wear very simple things on the inside and throw on this slightly more statement item, and the outfit is complete. The only coat that I'll be bringing is this navy coat from The Curated. I like this coat because it's very plain, very simple, so I can match it with any outfit that I wear on the trip. But unfortunately, I feel like this is a coat that I'll only be able to wear on the second half of my trip. So it will be probably sitting in my larger suitcase until then. This coat is very beautiful quality and it's not too heavy and cumbersome, which is definitely a criteria for me when I'm bringing a coat while traveling. Something about these 10x10, 10x20 videos where I create some of my favorite outfits. And I feel like it's always because I just try a combination that I would not have previously worn. And it surprises me that it works so well together and the pieces are already in my wardrobe. Let's start today with some of the late summer looks I'll be wearing in Italy and then make our way to the more autumnal looks once we get to France. Outfit 1 is a very minimal combination of a black linen tee and the white trousers. This outfit is really the reason why I packed those blue New Balance shoes, because the blue shoe just adds more interest to these very minimal looks that I do reach for while traveling. This outfit is very comfy, very easy, and the blue pop of color is definitely the focal point of this look. The base look here of the t-shirt and trouser is so simple that you can easily just change up the accessories and repeat this outfit. I've gone for my other bag, which is the metallic bag, and I've just worn it on my shoulder quite high up. I've also added a little suede belt, and I feel like this belt is perfect for late summer into autumnal dressing because the suede is very autumnal in color and texture. Swapping the t-shirt for the blouse, in outfit 3 I have a monochromatic look, except for the metallic bag, but monochromatic in all my other pieces. This type of outfit I love to wear while traveling because I'm super comfy. The blouse is loose and flowy, the trousers are flowy, and then I have on the sneaker. So every item is comfortable, but because the blouse is a bit more detailed, I do feel a bit more put together and chic. Adding a hat to any outfit just makes it feel a bit more playful. This is an outfit I'll wear for a day trip away, maybe a more outdoorsy day where I'm doing a lot of sightseeing. Back home, this is the type of outfit I would love to wear to the park on casual weekends, and just for late summer, early transitional days. Let's do a little recap here. These 4 outfits are the 4 warm weather outfits that I've prepared. So when the weather is about 25, 26 degrees Celsius, these are the outfits that I plan on wearing. Let's move on now to styling the blue dress in some more autumnal outfits. One of the things I wanted to check was that this dress could be worn with sneakers. Now, there's probably another shoe I would prefer, yes, but I wanted to say that at least I would wear it with sneakers without feeling incredibly frumpy. In this combination, while it's not the ideal shoe by any means, I would wear them together. With the crossbody bag, the little hat, I feel like this outfit is a super fun one for a casual travel day. If I was back home and wearing it with a sneaker, I would probably have gone for this type of style that was a little bit more sleek, a little bit less sporty, compared to the New Balance. But I'm glad to say that it still kind of works okay. Turning the dress around now, I've got the V-neck at the front, and I also decided to add a belt to the dress. I love knotting the belt in this way, and while I don't feel like every dress needs to be belted, I do really like the way this dress looks belted, and it just gives a little bit more shape to the body. This outfit combination here is one of my favorite ones I'm showing you today, and definitely one I'm excited to wear. If it was getting a little bit cooler, or maybe just for later that evening, I would pair this outfit with the navy coat. The navy with the light blue I think go really well together. And this is an outfit I'm just very, very excited to wear. One thing I wanted to try was to wear the blue dress as a skirt. So I felt like the top that would go best with that is the grey cashmere knit. And if I just pair knitwear with knitwear, I feel like it can feel a little bit frumpy because there's just a lot of knitwear going on. And not a lot of texture, not a lot of detail in the look. So instead of just wearing it alone, I add the denim texture in the hat. It was really handy to have the hat in denim because it's a nice texture I can add to any outfit. I had the metallic bag, which is my second texture, and then of course also the boots. I love wearing outfits like this because it's so comfy, so easy, but when I don't use the different textures, it can look a little bit frumpy, so I try to add texture whenever I can. The last look of the blue dress is wearing it with the red check blazer. In my past outfits, I've worn the red check blazer with a light blue t-shirt, and I really like that combination. So I thought I would recreate it here, but with the dress instead. I quite like this pairing together because the dress is quite shapeless and very cozy, whereas the blazer has that structure in the shoulder. It feels more tailored, and I think these two pieces balance each other really well. When you want something more polished, but you also want the comfort. This is the only knitted dress in this style that I own, and so far knitted dresses just seem like a very versatile wardrobe piece, and here are all the ways that I've styled it so far. Let's move on now to some outfits with the jean. To be honest, I wasn't sure if bringing the jean was the best idea because the jean doesn't really go with the sneakers at all. It really only goes with the boot, which not the most versatile piece, but I did just really want to wear it for this holiday. This type of outfit I think is perfect for day to night dressing. Because we've got the dark denim, because we've got the nice blouse and the pointed boots, it's very sleek and polished for daytime, but we can easily bring it into evening. If I'm going to a casual dinner, I feel very appropriate in this outfit. I'm swapping the blouse out here for the cardigan. I love an item that can be worn in multiple ways. So for this cardigan, you can either wear it all buttoned up and tuck it in, you can leave it out because it's not super long. And then you can also just do up the middle buttons and leave the top and bottom undone. It creates a really nice shape, and it makes this piece look a little bit more summery. With the jean, as an alternative to tucking it in, I just do up the middle buttons. It gives the body some definition without tucking this one in. I love a top tucked in. I mean, I tuck every top in, so it's nice to sometimes play around with this type of styling. This outfit here needs no explanation at all. We've got t-shirt, jeans, blazer, one of my go-to outfit combinations that you'll see me wear over and over and over again. This time round, we've got the darker wash wide leg denim, so it gives this outfit a slightly different look from usual, but it is the same exact outfit formula that I'm so used to wearing. My final look with the denim is a very basic one, just pairing it with the cashmere knit. This is a type of outfit that I feel like would pair really well with a more statement jacket. It will pair really well with any accessories that I may add, like a new scarf, a new bag. I will pair it with this kind of very simple base look, and it will go really well together. This outfit here is not super inspiring to me, but it's a very realistic outfit of what I wear on lazy days. Again, doing a little recap, just because we've got so many outfits today, here are all the outfit ideas I would wear with denim. I've got 3 outfits styling the tote pants. I probably could create more, but it's going to be the same idea. First outfit is styling the tote pants with the polka dot blouse again. Obviously the pants are different in color compared to the white and the denim, but it's also a very different silhouette. So the silhouette of this outfit is a little bit different to the other 2 ways we've worn it so far. Being completely honest with myself, I don't think that I will need all of these looks, just because I do have a sizable wish list of things I want to pick up in Europe, and I'm not one to wait to wear things. I basically just put things on immediately and will start wearing them. So I don't think I'll need all of these, but this is an outfit I will be more than happy to wear if I've gone through the other 2. In this outfit, I've paired it with the cashmere knit, and these 2 colors go together well. They're very harmonious together, but I also feel like it's a bit dark and heavy. So I used the bright blue in the shoe to brighten up this look a little bit with a pop of color, and also adding that metallic bag, which is, of the 2 bags, my more colorful option, just to try and brighten up this outfit, make it feel a little bit less dull. with all the greys and browns. My third and final way to style this pant is my favorite. I pair it with the black linen t-shirt and then some white sneakers. I actually love the white against the taupe color because it feels very fresh and it just brightens up that taupe shade. I also like wearing the hat because it brings a bit of playfulness to a more serious look, and the little touches I think make this outfit feel more chic to me. Let's go back to the white trousers now, and this time I'm showing you the other looks, which are more autumnal rather than summery. I'm taking the striped cardigan again, and this time wearing it in a more traditional way, just doing up the buttons and tucking it in. I tried it with a black belt, and I kind of like that continuation from the stripes into the belt. It felt like a nice little touch and helped the outfit feel just very complete. If it was a little bit cooler and I would wear my navy coat and swap out my sneakers for boots if I wanted a more polished look. I really can't resist wearing the hat, so even though I'm quite dressed up, I feel like I would still wear the hat in this look just because I actually like the way it looks, not even just for the practicality anymore. Here are two very minimal, no-brainer outfits that I knew I was going to wear. Of course, pairing the grey cashmere knit with the white trousers, for me is the perfect pairing. Just because we tried it with the taupe and it feels a bit heavy. Denim is always a very heavy material, so then pairing it with a chunkier knit, again, more on the heavy side, whereas the white trousers feel very fluid, it's in a brighter color, a brighter light color. The two together just feels like a very good pairing. The coat version, I would say the same thing about. It's a no-brainer look, and if it was coat weather, I was lazy, this is the outfit I would wear. The final outfit is a look that I actually don't really love, but I thought I'll include it just so I can tell you what I don't like about it. This outfit is quite similar to a lot of the previous ones I've shown you. I mean, I've mixed everything together by this point. But what I don't like about it is the high neck matched with the tailored blazer with the shoulder pads. I think that this combination feels a little bit dated. It feels like there's too much bulk and material on the top half, and just a little bit chunky on the top half, which I'm not loving. I paired it with the t-shirt from before, and I really like that combination because the t-shirt is a slightly lower neckline, a softer material. But the knit, I just don't love in this combination. My solution to fix this is just to change the top into something a bit lighter, a bit more delicate, versus the cashmere knit. Ending on the outfit I don't love, unfortunately, but here are all of my looks styling the white pants for autumn. That was my autumn 10x20 and what I'm packing for my trip to Europe. I hope you guys enjoyed something in today's video, either autumn outfits or some advice for travel packing. And if you did, I would love for you to go give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you'd like to see more videos like this one. Have a wonderful week ahead. I will see you soon. Bye.